everybody. In this video I'll talk about string data type in Python. Okay, in Python we will be declaring string like this. Okay, let's write a machapu chore. That is the name of the pig. Strings are enclosed within double quote, or we can use the single quote also instead of double quote. If you are using single quote, then it should be started with a single quote, it must be ended with a single quote. Okay, so this is the string declaration. In the yes string is stored. Now what we can do is we can access each element of the string. Actually a string is stored like an array in Python, so we can access individual elements or individual characters of the string in Python. Okay, let's use the print yes. Okay, 4. Let's see what will happen. It will display the fifth character. This yum is in the 0, a is in 1, c is in 2, and so on. In the fourth we will be getting what character? Let's see, let's run this. Now we can see c is the fifth element. Okay, so we can find the length of the string using len method. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, now the 14 is the length of the string. Now we can reverse the string using the while loop. Okay, let's assign I be the length of yes minus 1, then while I is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then sys dot std out dot write then what I have to do is yes then I to decrement the value of I by 1. Okay, now I am using sys object, so I have to import this module sys. Now let's execute this. Now you can see the string machapu chore is displayed in the reverse order. Okay, so in this way we can use length method to get the length of the string. Initial is 14, we already know that 14, so we have to reduce 1 because the string character starts from the 0 and it will go up to 13. In this case machapu chore, there are 14 characters. That means yum will start at 0 and that last e will end at 13. So this method will return 14, so we have to reduce 1. So this array starts from 13. Initially I is 13, then we are decrementing I by 1, then it will become 12. That means second last character will be displayed. Then again I will be decremented by 1, then 13, 12, 11th element will display, and so on. So in this way we can reverse the string. Okay, we can take this whole thing within the function also. Def ref reverse string. Let's suppose yes is the string passed here. So according to this Python we have to make this block, and block is created with this space left. Indentation is necessary. So this is the method reverse string. Now we have to call this method. Okay, rev string. Now we will be passing everest everest. Now let's see reverse of this string. Execute this. Now this, in this way we can create the function also. So that is a very simple one. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe it, share it with other people.